Want to know about PT Cash Fund? In this video, I will show you how to journalize PT Cash Fund. Hey viewers, this is Pami. In this video, you will learn how to journalize the PT Cash Fund, including the shortage and the overage. But before that, I will discuss what is PT Cash Fund. PT Cash Fund used for small amount purchases paid in cash. Usually the cash is used for donut and coffees, for meetings, postage, and other miscellaneous expenses. Most companies choose to have a PT Cash Fund because it helps to eliminate the multiple journal entries for small amount of money. A company must decide how much they want in their PT Cash Fund. A PT Cash Fund can range 1,000 less or any amount that company decide. When a company decide they need a PT Cash Fund, it must establish a journal entry. We will debit the PT Cash and credit the cash. The company is effectively writing the check that will recash to make a starter money for the PT Cash Fund box. The check is then given to PT Cash custodian. The custodian takes the check to the bank to get the cash and put to the PT Cash Fund. Then drop a month when employees need to use the PT Cash. They will get the cash to the custodian and return the receipts of expenses. The custodian is the responsible to track the money used. At the end of the month, the custodian reconciles the PT Cash Fund by counting the receipts and remaining bills and coins. If no errors are made, the receipt and the remaining bills and coins should equal to the starting point balance. The information then is given to the accountant to prepare the journal entry.
In a journal entry, the replenishment, a debit is made to each expenses and cash is credited. We are not crediting petty cash but instead crediting cash because the accountant write the check amount needed to replenish the fund back to the starting point.
Then the process repeats itself. The custodian gets the check to the bank to get the cash to put back in the PT Cash box. The PT Cash Fund is now back in the starting point balance. Now again, drop a month. Employees can come and request a money and provide a receipt. The custodian track all the activities. However, this time, when the custodian reconciles the PT Cash at the end of the month, there are 200 pesos shortage between the total need and the total receipt. When the information given to the accountant must add in debit to cash over and short to account the 200 shortage. Then, if there has an overage, there would be credit to cash over and shortage. Again, we are writing a check for only amount needed to replenish the petty cash fund back to its starting point.
Now, lastly, I want to review with you a summary journal entries for establishing a petty cash fund and replenishing the petty cash fund. Note that we do not credit the petty cash but instead credit cash to replenish the fund and use over and shortage account to balance out when a receipt and cash needed are not balanced.
want to know about